G'day guys, Di here from the Messy Palette. Hope you are all well. It's another rainy day here, and we have got more flood warnings. So this is the third flood. Sorry, we've had three. This will be the fourth if it keeps raining. I was not directly affected by the floods. We just got ankle deep water around our bus. We got a few leaks where I lost a little bit of stock because the leak was right above my desk. But anyway, I'm back and I've got some stuff finished. We had things packed and in storage and while we fixed the leak. So today I am bringing you my design team project for Rach and Bella Crafts. It's late because of all the setbacks we've had here. This is the cover that I brought to you in the collaboration, and I've chosen the one with the chicks because it just fitted in the end with this beautiful applique. So let's have a look. I have used the Botanical Dreams kit from Rach and Bella Crafts. I'll link that below. Let's have a look. So we've got a sari silk closure. It's just a loose piece of sari silk, so you could change it to whatever you want. It ended up being quite chunky. I changed it from 2 signatures to 3 signatures, and then I ended up having 4 and I had to remove one because it just got way too chunky. So I went with the fussy cut cover with the lace and the mold. I have a upholstery fabric cover, and I put some lace that you can see through the pieces here, and I've got this table runner that I found in a thrift shop that was just so pretty that I had to have it. Okay, so let's have a look. This is just a flat cover. I didn't put any pockets or anything in here because it just got too chunky. Got a bulb pin with a leaf, metallic leaf on it here. Doesn't want to play the game. Anyway, some beautiful lace and Rach's kit. I have a pocket here just with some lined paper, note paper, and some of the ephemera from Rach's kit. This is just a cluster. These are the leaves that I made with watercolor paper, watercolor paint, and I put it through die cut machine with the Tim Holtz flowers. And this is out of Botanical Book, and a silk leaf and just some trims underneath. This is some hand dyed paper that I got in a swap, just with some stamping on it. A little envelope, seed packet, and just a tag. Coffee dyed paper there. This was the, can't think of what it's called now. It will come to me. A stamp from Rach's kit, half of a tag from Rach's kit, and we've got a glass leaf hanging from a bulb pin here. This was some eco dyed paper from a swap, and sticker, one of the stamps from Rach's kit. I have a corner pocket here with some vintage lace, just a tag and some paper, lined paper from the kit. Just some washi tape, some coffee dyed paper. This is a hidden paper clip and one of the envelopes from the kit. And there's just a couple of journaling cards in there. And it's just held by the little label there. I'll try and get this back on now. Beautiful. Where did you hide? Just a corner tuck there, and a little metallic leaf here. A little cluster with some stamping on some linen. Just a couple of the journaling cards and one of the stamps from Rachel's kit. Here's my first mistake. Yes, we all make them. I put glossy accents and then rubbed my hand across it. And then I put the page in upside down. So this page I'm going to actually redo. This comes up. This is what I did to save that one, but I can't save that one. I'll have to take that one out. That's the centre of the signature, another seed packet, a layered journaling card, one of the pockets with some stamping, and another journaling card there, and one of the leaves from my, and some stamping. It's a botanical page out of a World Botanical Atlas. Not an atlas, it's a what plant is that type thing. Just some hand dyed paper out of my bird book, some stamping. Also that botanical. This has got a glass leaf and it just opens up for journaling spot. I cut the some 1-inch circles and I stamped them with a postage stamp and then a leaf in the green ink over the top of it. I thought they come up pretty cool. This is just ephemera out of Rachel's kit. Just a cluster there. Journaling card just with some stamping and one of the words and verses out of one of the pages from Rachel's kit. Another glass and metallic leaves on there. That's the first signature. This tag came in a swap I did for the blooms. This one comes from Norma Ruby. Oh, there's a couple of her tags in here. I've just put some of my leaves, some of the fabric, some stamping. Raised this one up on some foam tape and put some of that green lace behind it. There's a little mushroom hanging from that page. That's one of Rachel's book page pockets that she did in one of her tutorials, just with some of the tea cards, ephemera. Just a little cluster. Got a leaf hanging from this paper clip. Just another tag. It's a vintage doily with one of the verses from Rachel's kit with some stamping. pocket, some washi tape and some vintage lace, another tag with just a little cluster on that pocket. This is just a cluster with some stamped linen, some washi tape, lace, and one of the words from the kit. I fussy cut one of the watering cans out, stamp, so tag and a journaling card, some more stamped linen, again. I've just put some vintage lace over the top of this pocket and a little cluster there with a metal leaf. One of the journaling cards, just some eco dyed paper, a sticker, another sticker. This is one of Norma's, the swap I did with Norma. Let's see if I can get this off. Doesn't want to play. Well, we'll fix that later. So this was one of Norma's tags with a pocket in the front that she made, which was beautiful. Some tea-dyed paper, some washi, some stamping, another layered journaling card, a hidden paper clip, and a little cluster. That's the end of the second signature. This is a triple pocket tag, a triple tag with pocket, rather say. I've used the stamped linen as the hinges on this one. And it has a pocket here and a pocket here with another layered journaling card and a tea card from Rachel's kit as well. And I've just tied that up with some frizz trim from Sue at Paper Inspirations. That's the name of her Etsy store. Just a little side tuck with some tea cards, some more vintage lace and some stamping. Pocket with a tag. I've just cut a hole through and put the circle on the next page, so a little bit of fun, a little bit of peekaboo. This never went to plan. I'm going to have to put some magnets in there. I just wanted this as little secret writing spots, but they just won't sit still. So yes, I will put some magnets in there and change that up. This was one of the covers that I made in my tutorial with a paperclip tag. So I said they wouldn't go to waste, and they didn't. I cut this doily in half and put it in the signature, glued it down, and have made it into 2 pockets. This is another one of the paper pockets, book page pockets that Rachel showed us how to do. I fussy cut this out of her kit. Some whale tail tab with a leaf. This is just a page from my botanical book, and it's also got a flip up here with a piece of doily and some beautiful mulberry paper. Pocket with an applique, a journal card and a tag. This is one of the stamps from Rachel's kit. I did this butterfly in a previous tutorial for Rachel about embossing powders. This butterfly, so That just a little bit of fun for the centre of that signature. Another book page pocket with a tag, a large tag with another metallic metal leaf. Another book page pocket the other side of that lace doily pocket. This is a tag flippy thing with pockets in it that Norma made and sent me in her swap, which is very, very pretty, and it just sits in there. Another one of the seed packets from the kit, and I've just popped a metallic butterfly there as the closure. There's nothing in there. Some coffee dyed paper, another little mushroom and a metallic leaf, a little side tuck. I've just put a leaf and some tea cards in there. This is one of the little booklets that comes in the kit, and I've just left it plain. I haven't made it into a little journal or anything. You can write in that. Some stamping and some washi tape, and this is the third cover, so I've just put that in the back of the book. We have the pop-up butterfly and the flower cameo, and more of that beautiful table runner with the daffodils on it. So that is my project for the design team that is very, very, very late, and I apologize to Rachel for that, but it's been a bit crazy here between floods and leaks and that sort of thing. But it's here now, and it's done, and it's beautiful, and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.